Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel one item on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So right now I'm in the Teemo website. You also do that, go ahead, access the website or get the app as well. Now simply go ahead, add a product or item to your cart. And I'm going to go to my cart since I have a item over there I would like to check it out with. I'm going to tap on checkout, right? Once I do that, I have to simply go ahead, first enter my email or phone number for the signing in purpose. Once I have done that, I will be able to go to the checkout section, adding the payment, and then I'm done. My order has been placed. Now you have to mind, if your product has already been shipped, then you cannot cancel that because it has already been shipped. That means once you had received the product, the package, then you can go through the returning process. And you can see for this, up to 90 days I have free return. So once the shipping is done, I can simply go to the return section. I can return the particular amount. But if I simply would like to delete this from placed order, once you have placed order and the shipping has not started, you will find this kind of trash icon beside that order. Go ahead, tap on it, and your order will be cancelled. You can simply go ahead, cancellation is done. It will receive a notification and you're good to go. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.